Barbell drag curl emphasizes the brachialis and outer bicep. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the barbell with an underhand grip. Using a light weight, slowly move the elbow of the hand backward and bring in the barbell upward. Keeping it close to the abdominal muscle, hold it for 1 second, squeeze the bicep muscle and then slowly control the speed and bring in the barbell to the starting position. Seated dumbbell curl provide a stability and isolate the bicep. Sit on a bench holding lightweight dumbbell in both hands, keeping the body stable and hand facing forward. Slowly bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder and curl it, squeezing the bicep muscle. Then stretch the bicep by moving the dumbbell downward with control form. Performing while sitting allow you to perform with control form without any jerk. Easy bar preacher curl target the bicep while minimizing shoulder involvement. First of all, set the preacher bench as per your height and sit on the preacher bench and hold the easy bar with an underhand grip. Curl the bar upward, keeping the upper arms against the bench. Lower the bar in controlled manner, maintaining the tension on the bicep. Cable curl. Maintain a constant tension on the bicep throughout the movement. Attach the straight bar cable and stand facing the machine with your feet shoulder width apart and your hand facing forward. Hold the cable bar with an underhand grip. Then with the control form, bring in the bar toward your chest and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the bicep muscle. Then slowly bring in the bar to the starting position. It provides a very good pump to the bicep muscle. Seated dumbbell hammer curl. Work the both bicep and brachialis with a neutral grip. In this your form and position will remain the same as seated dumbbell curl. Only you have to perform it by holding the dumbbell with the neutral grip hand. As compared to dumbbell curl, you can use a heavyweight dumbbell. It strengthens the bicep as well as the hand grip and forearm muscle. Whenever you bring in the dumbbell up toward the shoulder, hold it for few seconds and then slowly bring in the dumbbell downward with control form.